Y'all got any gold or silver? It's working already. Make sure drop in here. Oh, thank you so much. Oh. You got any gold or silver? Copper? Okay.
What'd you guys give him?
We gave him gold and silver and wildfire taffy.
Oh my goodness.
Not for very long, Stone. You call your dumb brother up here.
Call him what?
Call him up here. I don't care. You call him up
Up
here.
here.
Hey, that ain't my name. That's not what I meant. Stolen, you are this close to an idiot. What's going on? I walked all the way to the teleback and there's no Yankees.
No Yankees?
No Yankees. And then I come back up here and caught your boat right down there robbing my train.
Nope.
Yes.
Yes.
Yep.
Do not eat it.
But we got taps. Yeah. Break time.
Oh, that might get in trouble.
Why?
Take fault now.
You can't do what?
Take fault.
I believe it's called wildfire taffy. Who set them Oh, I love this.
It's hot too.
Yeah.
Y'all never tried wildfire. I got a piece.
Yeah, I'm gonna do that.
My nose is running faster than I need.
Oh my. You want me to prolong this for you?
No, it's all good.
Do what? Oh, you two. Where were we?
I see people with jackets on.
Next time, let's do that again.
You're sorry. I bet you're sorry. You don't tell me you're sorry. You tell all these nice folks you're sorry.
Ralph, when you can.
You can.
They're calling people in the car.
He's gonna mean it this time.